Hello, so this is illustration for pop-up updates, insert and delete, and you can see as a member comes and add another member like Kim, Kim1, and phone number maybe 444, password, given a password, user type, maybe secretary, and update. You can see the Kioma is now inserted inside a database with a pop-up and a nicely created button like this. So what about update? If you want to update this data, you can go here, you can see Kioma and update it maybe to Kioma 4 and update maybe its status in a nicely done drop down and update it. Close. Now you can see Kioma 4 and user role is updated. Now what about delete? If you want to delete maybe Kim, you can go here and delete here, delete, say okay, and now Kim is off the chart. So this is the pop-up model of update, insert and delete, and how to launch this. You can find the link in the description below to download this, and you will get nicely done like this. You will see there is a database inside. There is a database inside here. This is your database. You will import it in the SQL, in PHP my admin. So how to go about it, how to insert, how to import this system to your PHP my admin or to your local host, how to run it into your local host. Simply system here. This is the source code. When you download it, you'll go directly and extract this source code. You will get files like this. After extracting, by extracting I mean right click and then extract here. If you extract here, you'll get a source files like this. After doing this, go to XAMPP. Make sure you have installed XAMPP and start Apache and MySQL. Start Apache and MySQL. After doing that, go to localhost, right? Go to your browser, I mean, maybe Chrome or Firefox or Internet Explorer, and write localhost slash update, delete, add. That is the folder name I've given to this source code PHP script. Simply go to open new tab, write localhost, PHP my admin here, and then say new, like new database. Call that database updates, create. If you click create, the new database update, it will be opened here. And then after doing that, just say import, and then choose file. After choosing file, just go directly uh, just go directly locating that file, database file. Like now it is in localhost. Sorry, it's in localhost. PHP update delete add. Now it's in here, includes inside the script called update delete add. So includes, just you will locate the SQL file here, then press open and then press go. After doing that, you will get the table like this. So this table it's you will find it inside the script. So that is just added up for how to import a database inside this system. So to conclude it, don't forget to subscribe and you will get this script down in the description. So in order for your files to be shown after starting Apache and MySQL services, just take that source code I've given to you, go directly to local disk C, XAMPP, htdocs, and drop it inside the htdocs folder, and extract that zipped file, that source file that you have downloaded. Extract it here, and you will get the folder written like this: update delete add. Or you can create a folder by yourself, called it update delete add, and drop that zipped file here, extract it here, and then at the end of the day, so it's like capital letter here. So and this this file is called activities2.php. If you leave it, it's not named index. It's called activity2.php. So if you say localhost update delete add, go to activity2.php, click this, and you will get this table here for pop-up, add, update, and delete. So thank you. You can find this system, this PHP script in the description below. You can download it simply, directly, uh, uh, in the link down in the description below. So thank you and see you for the next one.